Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas to all, and may this Christmas brings in a lot of joy and peace in your life. So yes, I'm filming this intro on a Christmas day, but I'm here to go ahead and share with you this little corner that I have set up for my filming room. I mean, this is like my filming room where I go ahead and film my videos. So I have gone ahead and decorated this space, so you will see how I have gone ahead and created this very cute cozy little corner right here in my filming room. So if you want to know how I have gone ahead and created this very little cute cozy nook for myself, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. And if you are someone who is new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my tiny little family right here on YouTube. So let's now get into the video. So before I go ahead and show you the final reveal, here I'm just going ahead and decorating this Christmas tree. I have gone back and forth with this decoration. I switched up 3 times. I switched up the decoration 3 times, and you will see that in this video itself. This is what my room looks like. It's all a mess, and I need to go ahead and clear this and change this decor. I just put this Christmas tree just to feel a little Christmassy, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and switch things up. So let's get started with this. For this room's decor, I went in with the theme of Winter Wonderland, but I'll try and put up a clip of my downstairs tree, which is in my hall room. I have gone ahead with the theme of classic, like classic Christmas with red and green and golden. And but for this room, I wanted it to keep little snowy, wintry situation. Okay, and there were times when I went ahead and switched up things a little. So now I'll go ahead and show you the final reveal. Okay, so this is the space that I have created myself. I mean, I have gone ahead and created this cute little cozy nook for myself. And here, if you see, is my Christmas tree. So this is what you see. This is a full-length mirror, and yes, that's my outfit for Christmas. So it's a very classic polka dot outfit that I went for this year. I did not want it too much for this Christmas, so this is like a simple outfit. I had my red pumps that I was wearing, which I took it off because I'm tired. But if you follow me on my Instagram, then you would have seen my outfit for today and my heels and everything. So this is like my Christmas outfit, and this is a full-length mirror that I have. And I have just gone ahead and added those fairy lights, and then I have this beautiful Christmas tree that I have gone ahead and decorated. And here I had actually brown curtains, but I went ahead and I switched it with this white curtains, which is like my mom made curtains, which is a DIY curtain. Actually, this was a lace cloth that I got for just 120 rupees, I guess. This is 2-meter cloth, and then my mom kind of went ahead and turned it into this curtain situation. And I have my fairy lights behind this. Here I have just gone ahead and added this rug that I had, and on that I have just laid this snowflake that you see right here. And now moving on over here, before when I was decorating this area, the background was kind of simple. I had nothing, it was just plain white background. Hence I went ahead and I created this cozy nook right here. And I did switch in, I went back and forth with all of the decoration over here. This is a cardboard table that I made using the Amazon parcel box, delivery box that I got. And this is a table that I got from Amazon. These are some fairy lights in here, battery operated fairy lights. Again, some fairy lights over here. And I have this book which I'm currently reading, but I have to go ahead and complete this book in this year itself, so I am on that mission. So I have gone ahead and created this sitting area right here, and underneath this I have all of my old blankets which my mom or we don't use it anymore, so I have gone ahead and placed it over here like a sitting arrangement for me. And here, if you see, is a very old Christmas card. This is again a Christmas card, which is like a crib situation. And then I have this reindeer, some pine cones, golden pine cones, and here I have this snowflake situation and Miniso candle. And over here, if you see, I have just added those stick-on hooks that I showed you in one of my video, and I went ahead and I added this what do you call it, this plant situation, I don't know. And then over here I have this hanging Christmas decoration. I'm not getting words, I'm actually out of words, but that is what my space looks like. And during the night this space looks beautiful, absolutely stunning. But since it's daylight and the daylight is coming in through the window, hence it is not looking that good. But I'm just gonna go ahead and switch off the light and show you. This is with the light turned off, and this is what it actually looks like. And it is such a cute little space that I have created for myself, and I'm absolutely in love with this. And also this is the space where I have gone ahead and clicked a lot of pictures today. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram if you haven't followed me yet over there, and you would see all of my fun pictures that my friend kind of went ahead and clicked for me. And that's all I have for you today in this video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did like it, then please go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.